Hi, my name is Corbin. I'm here in Fresno, California, and Tyson Energy came to my house and made a big difference. We were facing some rodent droppings in our attic. There wasn't much insulation, and the attic, the house is 30 plus years old. So I just wanted to get things redone. We were also facing efficiency problems. In the summertime, we would have to run the AC 24/7 to keep the house cool. And then same thing in the wintertime, we'd have to run the heater 24/7 to keep the house warm. So Tyson came in, they pulled everything out of the attic. They spent like 2 or 3 days pulling everything out. They came through and they sanitized and they cleaned everything, sealed all of the holes, sealed the places where the rodents could get in. It made a huge difference. After they did that, they blew in a ton of insulation, like 13 or 14 inches. That's made a huge difference where all we have to do is run the AC for 30 minutes to an hour in the morning, and it holds that cool air all day. The big one was the mother-in-law suite because it's almost unbearable to work in there. I use that as a second office when I'm not working out of my actual office. And during hot days, because there's so many windows in that house, it would be extremely hot. So you couldn't really work in there. You'd be sweating. Ever since the insulation's been installed, it's made a huge difference. I can go in there and work all day without, feeling uncomfortable or anything like that. It's nice knowing that the attic is completely clean, being that it's a 30-plus-year-old house. So my dad is actually who recommended me to Tyson, and I've already recommended Tyson to a couple of friends. So I'm definitely going to recommend people to Tyson.